Sarnath near Varanasi is the site of excavated ruins belonging to the 3rd century. Every day, lakhs of tourists come to Sarnath from all over the world. They have to buy an entry ticket priced reasonably at ₹5 for a domestic tourist and 100 for a foreigner. All this money is supposed to go to the state fund, but does not.
Hi, I'm Raghavendra Upadhyay, a tourist guide. I've been noticing the scam in ticketing here at the excavation site at Sarnath in Varanasi for past 5 years. Today, I have become a citizen journalist to find out why the authorities have not been doing anything. I was really surprised when I noticed this scam in ticketing about 4 years ago when I was here with a group of tourists. The ticket collector at the gate took the whole ticket and kept it with himself, whereas by law, he's supposed to tear it off into 2 parts, keep one part for the government record and give one part back to the tourists.
Thus, the same tickets are sold and resold. I was surprised to see this flourishing business of ticket resale going on unchecked at Sarnath. I did not want to be a silent spectator. I first sent a letter to the Director General of Archaeological Survey of India informing him about the corruption at Sarnath.
But since then, I haven't got any reply yet.
That's when I decided to become a citizen journalist. With CNN IBN, we first went to the site where the story repeated itself again. As you can see, the man at the entry gate once again isn't giving part of the ticket back to the tourist as is mandatory.
So as you can see, this is the reality. They are supposed to tear it off into 2, give one part to the tourist and keep one part for the government record. But everything is fresh and is kept here in this sack so that they can resell it.
We then met the man who issues ticket.
ये देखिए यहाँ पर, ये सारा का सारा टिकट
ये टेयर करके देना चाहिए ना?
बहुत ऐसे करते होंगे कि करके चले जाते हो.
In fact, the CNN IBN citizen journalist team spent the entire day noticing what was going on. It was clear all tickets were taken, collected and kept in a sack. And then time to time these tickets were taken out of the sack for resale.
सरकार ने बोला है ना ये फाड़ के देने को.
ये साई का सैलरी कौन लेता है यहाँ पर?
नहीं यार ऐसा बात
नहीं, ये कहाँ से
आया फिर?
सबको दिलाता है.
क्या दिलाता है सबको?
वही.
तो हमने बहुत बार देखा है, हमने बहुत, लेकिन हमारी ड्यूटी उधर रहती है.
आप खुद विभागी हैं, PSI की एम्प्लॉई हैं और आप खुद देखें एडमिट करते हैं ना बात
खुद देखें.
इसमें इन्वॉल्व कौन है?
इन्वॉल्व तो खैर यहाँ पे ऊपर से नीचे हर लोग.
So now you can see the reality. Even the employee of ASI admits this corruption is going on here, and she has been noticing it for a really long time.
We decided to take this evidence to the ASI officer posted at the Sarnath site, but he wasn't there.
The officer in charge for this site is not present here, and there is no one else to take the responsibility. But I'll keep my fight against this corruption on. From Sarnath, this is citizen journalist Raghavendra Upadhyay for CNN IBN.